How's it going, Autobloggers? I'm Amr, and welcome to another episode of Car Hacks. Today, we're going to be baking. Baking what, you might ask? Good old-fashioned chocolate chip cookies. I know what you're thinking. Amr, where is your oven? How are you going to bake cookies without an oven? Well, I've got an oven. Sitting on 4 15-inch wheels! So the summer hack that we're going to test out claims that the heat that's being built up inside your vehicle can bake a full sheet of cookies. Sounds a little too sweet. Let's test it out. For this hack to have any chance of working, the temperature inside your car needs to reach 165 degrees to kill any germs. And your vehicle needs to be in direct sunlight at all times. Now, let's prep the ingredients. Now that everything is all set, let's test a hack. Place a piece of cloth under the cookie sheet so it doesn't ruin your dashboard. Find an open area that has plenty of sun and start the waiting game. I placed a thermometer inside my car with the intention of capturing the temperature. It got so hot in there that not only did my thermometer stop working, but my GoPro died too. Let's get serious for a sec. Consuming non-traditionally cooked homemade cookies can be dangerous. If the cookies aren't fully baked, there's a small risk of contracting salmonella. So test it at your own risk. After 4.5 hours of baking in the hot sun, I retrieved the cookies for a real taste test. Make sure you grab a towel or oven mitts because the pan will be hot. What surprised me the most was the crispy hard top of the cookies.
Oh my goodness. That's perfect.
Time to serve it up and try it out. At around this moment is when I realized how chewy it was and how I was gonna regret this for at least the rest of the evening. As I kept chewing, the taste was off. It was as if the scent of the car merged with the cookie to create a sweet abomination. And then, for no reason at all, I ate the whole cookie. All I was thinking was, I wonder if this will be my last car hacks ever. Thankfully though, it was totally fine. Although the top layer of the cookie was baked, the bottom didn't fully bake. And the cookie had a sickly pale color to it that might turn many people off. The hack took longer than 4 hours to bake. And with an undercooked bottom, the hack failed. Hacks are fun to try. That's why we test them out so you don't have to. Got a car hack you want us to test out? Comment below. For tips on how to professionally care for your vehicle, check out Autoblog Details featuring Larry Casella. For more car hacks, be sure to subscribe, don't forget to like and share this video. Oh, one more thing. If it's too hot enough to bake cookies in your car, it's too hot for children or pets to be left unattended. Stay safe in the summer heat. I'm Amr. Safe travels.